Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a trend that seems to have already passed by now, by this day, but it was very big when it happened. This was like 10 days ago, something like that. So I'm going to talk about so-called celebrity meme coins, right? Now, as you know, with each meme coin season, you have a trend, right? So we had a cat trend where we all saw like lots of different cat coins. We had PopCat. We had many other coins. I even talk about many of the best coins that have made me a lot of money. Go watch my videos if you want to recap some of that info. But anyway, so you have with meme coins different seasons, right? And this time there is apparently a celebrity season. Now, why do I say apparently? Because this season, unlike others, this trend does not look organic at all. In fact, it is not organic. And this is something I will talk about later on in this video. So you need to keep watching this so you can know how to protect your assets and not fall for scams. Okay, so all of this started with this meme coin. Like, it's supposed to be a meme coin about Caitlyn Jenner. It has a tick Jenner, so it's very easy to identify. But it happened out of nowhere. Like, it took all of the crypto space by surprise. This came out of nowhere with a lot of liquidity. I saw it way above 1 million liquidity at some point, but now it's all the way down to just barely below 1 million liquidity. So this meme coin was clearly a failure, and it's not only me that's saying this. I mean, if you watch and if you go to, I don't know, some influencers of the crypto space, especially on Twitter, they all talk about what a massive failure this was, and it still is, because you can see right now the price as it stands today is on a lower position than the previous days. You can see clearly that this trend is a downtrend. Each and every single lower low is getting lower. I mean, this was the peak point of the dip, but nonetheless, this looks like a failure basically. This looks like a good way to waste all of your money. You can see the higher high is just, it doesn't even have a strength to pursue and to reach even similar points, similar levels. This is a day chart, so this is a daily chart. I'm not even looking at the hourly chart or the 5-minute chart, so you can see how much of a failure this is. Anyway, so this coin was apparently created by some guy who is supposed to be a known scammer. He has been making some scams for quite a while. I don't know much about the details because I frankly don't care. I don't invest in this trash anyways. I always have a sixth sense that allows me to pick the best coins and avoid the scam and the trash coins. Of course, I do from time to time get scammed by some rug pull or whatever. It happens to everyone, and it will continue happening because sadly, with meme coins and tokens, 90% of them are scams, like straight up scams. They're designed to waste your money, steal all your funds. That's all garbage. But the few that are not scams, you can make a lot of money, and by lot, I mean this is probably the fastest way to make money like ever. I mean, I sometimes make more money than people that have businesses. I mean, that's how crazy it is. As long as you keep a good earnings plan, you keep good discipline with your money and your savings, right? And you know how to take profits. So anyways, this was, like I said, a meme coin about so-called celebrities. This was supposed to spawn like a new season about meme coins, because there were other coins, but most of them were, like I said, absolute garbage and trash. They're not even worth mentioning. But there is one exception that was a good meme coin, and it's a good project if you for taking some profits, and I'm going to show it to you. This coin that I'm talking about goes by the ticker Mother, and it's supposed to be a meme coin about Iggy Azalea, something like that. I don't even know really. I don't even watch all of these celebrities. I frankly don't care about them. So that's, I think, how it's supposed to be pronounced. So Iggy Azalea, this is a meme coin about her. Now you can see clearly. I mean, just look at it. This is the exact opposite of what I previously showed to you guys. This is an evergreen coin, apparently, as far as it stands currently. This makes very good because the price is always going higher. It has several days on its back, so you can definitely say that this has a much more support, much more fan base, a bigger community, more dedicated to this coin than the other trash that I just showed you. And this coin is also apparently, I mean, don't really quote me on this, don't really do your own research as always, but as far as I can remember, I think this coin was also created by the same scammer that I was talking about previously. So the difference really is that, I mean, this project is just much better. And if the scammer is waiting to take all the funds and basically do a rug pull on this coin, I don't know what it will be, because you can see the coin has several days going up non-stop. The thing I want to make you clear, you guys, the message that I really want to give to you guys watching this video is that you need to be extra careful with meme coins that are just recent trends and are very sketchy. They're not organic at all. Like I said, they came out of nowhere, created by the same guy. This guy also was behind many other projects which were all scams. You gotta watch and do your own research. This is not organic trends. This is not like Popcat or whatever. Nonetheless, like I said, this is an example where you can indeed make some money if you know how to place your entries and take your profits. But be aware. I mean, with meme coins, you have to be extra careful. This is not traditional stocks. This is not a traditional way of investing. This is like a casino. This is basically gambling. But with celebrity coins and with coins that appear out of nowhere and you see a lot of scam influencers shield them, you gotta be even more careful. So extra careful, like on steroids, you know. So anyways, guys, I just want to show you this. Not a lot of people are talking about this on YouTube. Very few people know the facts, even the information that I just brought to you. So give a like, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, be very careful, do your own research. Do not quote me on anything. You do your own research about everything that I just said. And please just take care of your money. Okay? So that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.